my strategy. I love to buy companies that are not popular. Love to buy. I love to buy companies where people are not even talking about it. Right? There are times I mention a
Or they're
company,
talking negatively about it.
or they're talking negatively about it. Like I'll mention that, as I was about to say, I'll mention a company in like one of the stocks groups I'm in, and the man them start cussing like, oh yeah, pre
Which
them
stocks
fool
groups?
company there.
Which
Big
stocks
up
group?
Wall Street. They already know themselves. Wall Street 876. But yeah, yo, like we're just talking about companies that we like or companies that we see or things that are interesting that are going on in the market because we just like to chat about the market, right?
I feel like
And
you're
yeah,
thinking about a specific company now and you're not. Yeah, I feel like you're thinking about one.
I don't know if we
Call
I
the
don't know if we
name
have
then,
enough
no?
time to talk about it.
No,
But
just call the name then, no?
just company like Siboney, right? We laugh at Siboney all the time.
Siboney? How
Siboney.
dare you? Aren't they
A lot.
buying the shares for 5 cents there? And that doesn't make sense.
Boy,
What?
bro,
How are you
there's
buying a
so
company?
much.
How are you buying a company for over $1 when the
Mhm.
shares they're buying it at 5 cents there? Come on, that don't make sense.
Sounds dumb, right? But I mean, it's happened before. There are clear examples with like SSLVC and MFS. There are
But
clear
suppose they
examples.
delist it there.
But, bro, I mean, okay, I would like everybody to just look at the takeover bid, right? There's a document that's out
What's
now,
that there?
public, public document. What is your problem? The takeover bid circular, right? It's a document that what's happening now with Siboney. Basically, Siboney is a shell company, right? It doesn't really have any assets. It was listed on the Jamaica Stock Exchange years ago, right? Years ago. And they sold all its assets and so on. And FinSac was the majority shareholder. And FinSac has already sold the company. Right? Company's already sold. Right? They
Yeah, I
found
think
a
the
buyer.
takeover bid closed yesterday. I think it's yesterday it
Yes.
closed. You
Yes.
sold?
Why would I sell?
That's
Oh, wait, did I buy? Sorry, I gave up myself.
I drew you out, man. I drew you out.
Bro, I hate this. I don't like this guy. But I feel like we should cut this out. But anyways, we're just having fun. We're talking, right? But I do like Siboney because company has been bought. There are clear things that are outlined in that takeover bid circular. It's a document that you have to share with the public and the shareholders, and you have to be upfront with your intentions of the company. You have to talk about the price that you're buying the company at, right? You have to give specific dates and so on. There are a lot of things that are mentioned. They don't want to delist it, so there's that. Delist means buy it and take it off the stock exchange. They don't want to do that. They're very clear. They say it several times throughout the takeover bid circular, right? There are a lot of things that they actually want to do. There's an energy company associated with it.
But
I
then
know
the
a lot of
document is
money.
so long.
No,
How do
bro,
you
it's a few pages. Isn't it just like a few? I don't think it's that long. Isn't it like, is it 10 pages long? And there are only key things that you need to like know about. There's one page I remember reading that just told me basically everything. And most of the information that's pretty valuable is all just on one page, right? And and you said, and I was just saying that there's an energy company, IEC, right? Innovative Energy Company, that's associated with this company, right? That's buying it, that's going to operate, but probably going to operate it, probably going to capitalize it, right? They don't say how. They say a lot of things in that. I don't want to give out too much because at the end of the day, I want you guys to look at it yourselves. I'm just highlighting that these are companies that may not be very popular and have a lot of negative sentiment towards them. And I think that's when a lot of people should really look at companies like that. Because when there's a lot of negative sentiment around a specific company, and I'm not just talking Siboney, I'm just talking generally speaking, usually that kind of correlates to where the stock price is, right? It's probably, maybe it's at its all time low. Because if
it's
things
trading well below
actually,
its true value?
yeah, because if things actually go right with this company, right, that's the second it starts to fly, or it can fly.
Think of CPJ, man. Remember back with CPJ, back before tourism when they were making losses on losses. CPJ went from like $3 to 25 or something like that.
Exactly.
Like,
Precisely. Precisely.
yeah,
We were buying CPJ at $6 and $7, and I
I
was
think
selling at like
even to this
18.
day we'd be in profit.
Yeah, even to this day, we'd still be in profit, even at $10, whatever it's at now, right? So there are a lot of companies. Yeah, they might be making losses now, but suppose they make profits. And based on the things we've been talking about before, if you know what the company does to make money, and suddenly there are things that are happening that can make this company profitable. Oh, maybe it's this tourism boom, or maybe there's I know there could be so many different things, so many macroeconomic factors that can change perception and change
Even
the
think about the
outlook of this
Siboney and
company.
the Innovative Energy Company or IEC connection. A big thing going on in Jamaica now is that the government has
Renewables.
set out a vision about how much renewable energy we want to have. I think it's by 2030, it's like 50%, is it, of energy from
It's
renewables?
I don't know if it's is it 50%. I know they give
I'm trying to
specific
check.
amounts. It's like
Yeah,
360
20, I
megawatts,
think I have it, the 30,
and they say for
50% by
which.
2030. I gleaned an article in February this year.
Hmm.
I don't know if they'll reach that, but if, for example, IEC wants to be a partner with that, or
Hmm.
even things like Wigton, you know,
Exactly. Because they do
um,
state it. They state how much megawatts they want from wind energy, how much they want from solar energy, right? Wigton, Wigton right now, how many people are
Wigton
talking
says
about
they're open
Wigton?
for solar. Wigton is, yeah, Wigton right now makes most of their money from wind, but they never
Hmm.
said they wouldn't go into solar. They've done solar projects. Remember, they worked on
Precisely.
with one of the IEC group of companies. They did a solar project, or they did
Hmm.
two. Hold on, didn't they
They did
do
that.
what, the airport, and then they also did this someplace in like Mandeville or something like that, like Essex Valley?
Yes.
Yeah.
Essex Valley, wasn't that? No, I think that's in Sainty.
Oh, okay.
I think. But IEC definitely has that connection with. I love how you said that. IEC definitely has that connection with Wigton, and so on. And they want to capitalize Siboney. They said it like they want to capitalize it. So they must have plans. An energy company is buying this company, this listed company, and saying, I want to put some money in it. Like there are some signs. I don't know. I mean, the market is slow. That's fine. I don't mind the market being slow. Uh, and we could do a whole episode. We could do an
Yeah, let us
entire
know, guys, if
episode
you want us to do an episode on it. Leave a
on
comment in the
Siboney.
description.
If you guys, we could talk about it all day. We could definitely dedicate a whole episode if you guys want. Just shoot some likes and we'll see if you leave a comment. Leave a comment for sure.
Any other points? Any other things you look at when how to pick a stock?
Uh, I would say, wow. Well, especially in this time, buying companies that